Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to link your JavaScript file inside your index.html file in VS Code. In order to do that, I have created a boilerplate of index.html, and inside the body I have put the paragraph which says 0, and I have created a button which says with the label press, and in this I'm gonna link my app.js file and I'm gonna interact with index.html. Now, how to do that? We're coming to Explorer section and simply adding a file. I'm gonna name it app.js. Okay, we've created. Let's come inside our index.html file, and in order to link app.js file, we're simply coming to the bottom of the body and simply writing script. As you can see, Emmet suggests automatically this, and selecting the last one. As you can see, it wants from us a source. Simply putting ./app.js, it automatically suggests it, and now we have linked our app.js file inside our index.html file. So how we can interact with this HTML file? We're coming once again to app.js, and from here I'm gonna grab two elements. For the first, I'm gonna say const p, and I'm gonna select it document.querySelector. Okay, simply selecting p. This is our paragraph, and for our second control, I'm gonna say button. I'm gonna name it directly querySelector once again, and from here I'm going to select the label button. Okay, how we can interact with them? Simply saying button, add event listener, opening parentheses. I'm gonna name here the click event, arrow function. I suppose that you know how to use the elements inside. So for this, each time the click event occurs, I'm gonna get the p tag. I'm gonna say text content, and from here I'm gonna increase something. Okay, let's go to global and say count equals to 0. Coming once again inside our add event listener, I'm gonna say count. I'm gonna increase it by 1, and here I'm gonna display my count. Save it, press the button. As you can see, our count increases each time I press the button by 1. And this is how you can interact with your index.html file, and so on simply. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon with my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.